All right, we got some more consolidation in gold as it remains within a large developing bull panic. But before we go further, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by Exness, the world's largest retail broker, offering ultra-fast execution with no overnight fees. Find a link in the description below. This is Bruce for FXEmpire taking a look at the daily chart for gold. So the key thing is here, gold broke out of the purple 20 moving average and the small trend line and the orange 50 moving average on last Friday, and now has pulled back to test support. And you see support is found at the same price zone for the last 2 days and around the orange 50 moving average, and this trend line, which is now representing potential support. So as long as gold stays above this interim swing high right here at 3,283, the bull case remains likely, and that would be a breakout of this bull panic eventually. There was an attempt to break out above this range right here today with the minor breakout above this other high right here to reach a high of 3,377, but you can see it then pulled back intraday, and it's on track to close in a relatively weak position, especially following that breakout attempt. So this is not a convincing breakout attempt, but once a breakout is sustained, then the top of the range is the initial target with the possibility of a breakout through the line. However, as we get closer to the apex, the chance of breaking out increases, and that gives my calculation roughly about 10 more days maximum for gold to go sideways or range bound before it's ready to break out, because it's going to just naturally break through one of those lines and very short thereafter. Anyway, the potential upside is pretty good because we have this sharp move before the panic, but more significantly, because that's only part of it, this large range here. But if we back up in the weekly is when we can see it from the pennant perspective, I think, a little more clearly, where you really have a nice call that you can use here, whether it's reached or not. There's a breakout of a tight consolidation, which is likely to lead to volatility expansion and therefore trending of price. All right, that is it for today, traders. Have a great week.